Oh, it's another Westinghouse. All right, let's see. What happened to the rotodial? No. Dang. It's got a new button in it too. That's not the original one. Hey, the up lantern works on this one. It's been under leveled though. I swear the cab's a bit brighter. What the fuck? Wait, what? Okay, this is weird. The buttons got replaced with armor? Okay then. Honestly, those are more interesting than the Upco Circle Line buttons. Let's see if this one has the original button. Nope. This one was replaced too. Nice that both lanterns work. This is really weird. That's bizarre. What the hell? Armor buttons on a Westinghouse elevator. That's a first for me. No, I'm not gonna hit the alarm. The alarm button's cracked though. And that's a Dewhurst fire panel. This thing's got an interesting combination of fixtures. Westinghouse AE, armor, and Dewhurst. And I see a new northeast, or that's probably an armor key switch among Epco key switches. And that one's a Dewhurst switch.